Good afternoon from your National Weather Service Forecast Office in Fort Worth. Here's a brief overview on the Memorial Day weekend. The weather this weekend is not going to be a washout by any means. There are going to be some thunderstorms out there, and it's one of those things that it's not certain that we're going to see thunderstorms, but if we do see thunderstorms, they are going to be on the strong side. So it's going to be something that we definitely want to have in the back of your mind while you are out and about this weekend. So as far as an overview for the forecast, today and even tomorrow, it's going to be a little on the breezy side and a little bit warm for late May. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, heat index is closer to those triple-digit readings, so a little bit more like late June or early July than late May. Scattered thunderstorms are going to be possible late in the afternoon and evening on Saturday, mainly out to the west of I-35, 35W, but it's going to be a possibility for that. Saturday night and Sunday, another round of thunderstorms is going to be coming through as the front moves through. And as that front, we think it's going to stall well south of our area, probably somewhere in the I-10 corridor. But isolated thunderstorms are going to be possible on Memorial Day itself. Definitely not a washout, but it's something to kind of keep in the back of your mind. Hail and winds are really the risks that we're looking for. And this is talking about late Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and then maybe during the overnight hours. But hail, damaging wind are going to be the main concern. Unfortunately, though, with the strength of the thunderstorms, we cannot rule out any one type of weather. Timing, it's going to be late in the afternoon. So maybe by noon, 3 o'clock, we're going to be okay. And the Storm Prediction Center outlook that you can see down here on the graphic, moderate risk up in Missouri, Oklahoma with the enhanced risk, just a slight risk for us. And I say just a slight risk exactly like that because actually have us in that little hatched area, which is not very certain that we're going to see storms, but if they do, they are going to be on the strong side. In fact, hail larger than the size of tennis balls will be possible if we can get the thunderstorms to develop in the first place. So, should you cancel your weekend plans? No. Just follow the forecasts and the weather conditions and just be ready just in case. Check back with the forecast occasionally. Just be aware of the conditions out there and have yourself a plan in place just in case for this Memorial Day weekend. As far as ingredients, you can read what's on the left. This is pretty much what we know. A lot of areas are not going to see any kind of rain or thunderstorms, but by Saturday night and Sunday, that's the better chance for rain. There is going to be plenty of energy out there for hail and wind, ample moisture, but the cap, just like last weekend, the cap may cause some problems because it may be too strong to get any thunderstorms at all, but it's also going to be fairly strong, so only the strongest storms are going to be able to break that cap to be able to get any kind of thunderstorms. So it's kind of a weird situation where we are not very certain that thunderstorms will develop, especially for any one spot, but if they do, it's going to be on the strong side. If you have any travel plans, just kind of keep an eye on the weather anywhere across the state of Texas or Oklahoma or anywhere you're going to be going. If you want to check the forecast for where you're going, just go to our webpage, which is that weather.gov/Fort Worth, and put your city or where you're going right into the city, state, or the zip code. Click go, and you'll get the forecast just for that one area. Well, that's it for now. Hope you have a good weekend. And if you have any comments or questions, just send us a note, sr-fwd.webmaster@noaa.gov.